What is decussation in motor pathways, and why does it happen? Imagine your brain sending signals to move your hand or leg, but the message crosses over to the opposite side of your body. That crossing is what we call decussation. It is a key feature in how your nervous system controls movement. When you think about moving your arm, the brain's motor signals travel down through the spinal cord. But most of these signals don't stay on the same side they started from. Instead, they cross over at specific points in the nervous system. This crossing allows the right side of your brain to control muscles on the left side of your body, and the left side of your brain to control muscles on the right side. This setup helps your body coordinate movements smoothly and keep your balance. The main pathway involved in this crossing is called the corticospinal tract. It begins in the motor cortex of your brain, which is the area responsible for planning and executing voluntary movements. As the nerve fibers in this pathway descend, they reach a point called the lower medulla, which is part of the brainstem. Here, most of these fibers cross over to the opposite side in an area called the pyramidal decussation. After crossing, they continue down the spinal cord on the opposite side, where they connect with lower motor neurons that directly tell your muscles what to do. This crossing isn't just random. It happens to make sure signals from one side of the brain can control muscles on the opposite side of the body. This arrangement helps your nervous system work efficiently and coordinate complex movements like walking, running, or even riding. It also explains why damage to certain parts of the brain or spinal cord affects movement on the opposite side of the body. If the pathway above the crossing is injured, the effects show up on the opposite side. If the injury is below the crossing, the same side is affected. Decussation in motor pathways is a natural feature that helps your brain and spinal cord work together seamlessly. It allows your body to move in a balanced, controlled way, making everyday activities possible. This crossing of nerve fibers is a fundamental part of how your nervous system manages voluntary movement and keeps you steady and coordinated.